Hello and welcome back to Biker Stuff. I hope you are well. You may remember my video from August where I announced a giveaway draw on the 12th of September for my JIS screwdriver set. Please can I mention a quick thank you to John, who has now read my emails and apologised for everything he said. Well, here we are. This is going to happen right now. Good luck everybody, and thank you for the great response. And the winner is Dave from Blackburn. So, if your name is Dave from Blackburn and you entered the competition, please check your email. I will be in touch soon today. Thank you for your support and thank you for watching.